Peter and the Wolf. Which instrument represents each animal and person? Peter. Bird. Duck. Cat. Grandfather. Wolf. Hunter. Hunters. Peter and the Wolf. Peter lived in a house with his grandfather. The house was near a forest. One morning, Peter opened the garden gate and went outside. He walked into a field. Peter saw a little bird in a tree. The bird was his friend. Chirp, chirp. It's quiet. Today is going to be a good day, sang the bird. Then a duck came from Peter's garden. Quack, quack, I want to swim, said the duck. The duck walked to a pond. Hey, duck, we both have wings. I can fly. But why can't you fly? Said the bird. Yes, but I can swim. Why can't you swim? Said the duck. The duck jumped into a pond and swam. A cat slowly walked through the grass. Meow. I can catch the bird, the cat thought. The cat tried to catch the bird. Oh no, Peter thought. Fly away, bird, he shouted. The duck shouted too. Quack, quack, danger! The bird flew to the tree near Peter. The cat watched the bird. Then Peter's grandfather came. The grandfather was angry at Peter. You should not be here. A wolf might come. Peter didn't listen. I'm not afraid of a wolf, he thought. The grandfather took Peter home. After Peter and his grandfather left, a big wolf came out of the forest. The wolf saw the duck, the cat, and the bird. The wolf was very hungry. "Grrr," said the wolf. The bird saw the wolf. "Chirp, chirp." The bird flew higher in the tree. The cat saw the wolf. "Meow, meow." The cat climbed up the tree. The duck got out of the pond. The wolf ran after the duck. "Quack, quack, help, help," shouted the duck, but the wolf was very fast. The wolf caught the duck and ate him. The duck was now inside the wolf. The wolf was still hungry. He looked at the cat in the tree. Peter saw everything from his house. He wanted to help his friends. He got rope. "Fly over the wolf, but be careful," he told the bird. He planned to catch the wolf. The bird flew over the wolf. "Grrr, grrr." The wolf was very angry. Peter climbed the big tree and caught the wolf's tail with the rope. He pulled the rope. The wolf tried to get away, but Peter was strong. "We did it!" Peter shouted. Some hunters came from the forest. They had guns. Boom! Boom! The guns were loud. "Don't shoot!" shouted Peter. "We already caught the wolf." "Let's take the wolf to the zoo. Can you help me?" Peter said to the hunters. Suddenly the wolf sneezed. "Achoo!" The duck came out of the wolf's mouth. "Quack, quack, I'm free," said the duck. Peter and the hunters took the wolf to the zoo. The grandfather, the cat, and the duck all marched. The bird flew above them. The village is now safe. Everyone is happy. Which instrument represented each animal and person? Violin, Peter. Flute, bird. Oboe, duck. Clarinet, cat. Bassoon, grandfather. Kettle drum, hunter. Kettle drums, hunters. Horn, wolf. The end.